Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anne and ayan. So, I am so excited to show you my latest facial wash. So, it's Grapestone Keratin Scaling Foam Cleansing. Ayan. So, I'm very excited na i-try siya. So, kanina lang to dumating. Mainit-init pa galing sa Sarat Avida. Thank you Ate Ida and Ate Luvi. Ayan. So, ito ay galing sa Korea and made in Korea. Ayan. So, it's long-lasting hydration, contains Grapestone extracts and natural extracts. So, ayan. Alam naman natin na lahat ng beauty products from Korea are really outstanding. And subukan na natin. Bakit nag-on yung faucet? May mumu. So, ayan. Let's start! Siyempre, bago ka maghihilamos, make sure na malinis yung kamay mo. Especially na kung ano-ano na yung nahawakan mo sa labas. So, you must make sure na malinis yung kamay mo to prevent pimples. Ayan, so, sa awa ng Diyos, wala na tayo niyan. Kasi konting-konting scars na lang. So, ayan, let's start. Oh, it's still closed. Ayan guys, so next advice is to make sure na open yung bottle natin. Ayan, sobrang excited. So as you can see, it's really bago. Ayan, so ang hirap niyang buksan. Wait lang. Ayan, so bukas na yung ating bottle. Ibalik lang natin yung kanyang takip. And then, let's start. Okay. I cannot read the ingredients nor the directions on how to use this product kasi naka-Korea siya. So, marunong ako mag-in-check. Pero hindi ako marunong magbasa ng Korean. Ang bango niya! Amoy berries. Ang sarap niya sa mukha. Super lambot. So, I don't have directions pag I don't have certain direction pag naghihilamos ako. So, I always focus dun sa mga areas na feeling ko. So, ayan. Let me go ahead and rinse this face of mine. Hold on a second. Ang ganda niya sa face, guys. Ang kinis ng mukha ko. Wow! Ang ganda niya. Ang kinis ng mukha ko, guys. Literal. So, before, hindi ako nagpapahawak ng mukha ko kasi concerned ako. Hindi ako concerned para sa sarili ko. Concerned ako sa hahawak ng mukha ko dahil baka magasgasan yung kamay nila. So, ayun. Ngayon, kahit wala akong anything sa mukha ko, I'm guessing kayang-kaya kong magpahawak ng mukha kasi feeling ko ang kinis ng mukha ko. So, ayan guys. I only use this product ha. This is the first day. And ayan, ang ganda niya. Guys. I feel so beautiful. I feel so young. I feel so smooth. I feel so fair. Oh my gosh. This product is, well, too outstanding. So, ayan. Let me go ahead and finish my routine. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching. And see you again on my next vlog. If I help you with this video, kindly hit the like button. And if you want to see more of my videos, or more of my previous videos, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep updated. So, ayun na guys. This is the, what's this? This is the Grapestone Keratin Scaling Foam Cleansing Review. Maraming salamat and have a great day. So, ayan. Diba? Korea!